Hello guys, welcome back to Fun Time with Joe and Jamie, and today we got a new bird and we did not buy it. It's a free bird. So we just found it on this cage. And and it was a dehydrated bird and oh my gosh. So its beak was broken.
Blackout.
So I think stop it.
Yeah, change now.
No. I'm showing the birds. There.
What should we name it?
I don't know. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl. So tell us what we should name it in the comments. Come.
Show me.
There's Jamie.
Can I do my high kick thing?
Show it. Show it.
I'll have to take it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So I think it went here because of Lovely, our other bird.
The one that doesn't have a tail.
It did not have a tail because something happened recently.
Dog cat.
A cat attacked the bird cage. Mooney, this white one, had blood there. Sunny and JT had a little bit. See? There. So we got to put this bird in here. So we caught the bird and it got in here. See? That's it for the video. Make sure to tell us what we should name our new bird. Bye! Or what do you want to say? Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and
Blackout.
turn on the notifications. See you guys in the next video. Bye!